this module. Then second one is the pharmacy. Pharmacy means the medicine store. Hello.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. This is the pharmacy means medical store. For the medicine department, we use pharmacy module. Then the third one is the pathology. For pathology department, laboratory testing and blood testing and all. Then the fourth one is the central store. Central store is used for hospital inventory management. Hospital in-house inventory, like bed, cushion, all and other accessories, which is used by hospital for its internal purpose. Then the second one is the radiology department. X-ray, USG, sonography, CT scan, MRI, all these are maintained under this module. This is the doctor sharing. Doctor sharing means that multiple doctors come to your hospital for different services. In the end of the month or end of the particular time period, you give them payment according to service given by them. So this module manages that payment system. And next one is the administration. This is used by admin team, means management team for different purposes like marketing team, account and finance department, HR team. These are managed by them. And last one is the admin. It is managed by the IT team, IT department. This is for them. So let's start from our HMS, first one module.
Okay.
Hospital management system. When you enter in the hospital management system, this is the module of that. This is the dashboard of hospital management. In this first one screen, we are seeing the number of patients that are currently admitted in our hospital.
Okay.
What's their IPD number, means indoor number, when they were admitted, their name, they are from any company or direct cash patient or any insurance company patient or XYZ. Which doctor is consulting doctor, means which doctor is treating them. Referring doctor means it is referred by which clinic or hospital to our hospital. Then the room detail means where they are currently right now in our hospital. Means GNM16 means gender. It's the short code of your wards, different department rooms. For example, like that. What's their current billing status? How much we have received from them? Means how much they have paid till date, and how much is due there. If a patient comes to pay their bill and inquire about their payment status, just reception simply click here on the patient name, and this is the bill format. How the bill format? Okay. The bill format. Here in the initial section, it will be like patient detail. What's the patient detail? Means what's the name of the patient, address, age, gender, XYZ. In the in the download section, it's service detail. What are the services provided by hospital to the patient, day by day wise. We differentiate these services according to their groups. Like room category charges are grouped here in room charge category. Pathology related service are grouped here in pathology section. Radiology related radiology. These type of multiple groups we create according to your requirement. So these are the services given by our hospital to the patient till date. Now after that, it's a subtotal, and at the end, that how much total of above given service is, and at the end it's a how much deposit or a payment given by hospital. In some hospital they give patient give payment at the end of the service, at end of the treatment, and in some hospital patient give partial payment every day. I'm not sure what's the procedure in your hospital. That do you charge on the last day, or you charge every day to patient? Did you get me, sir? What I mean to say?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now this is the dashboard of hospital management system. Now these are the modules which is used by our staff. Like first one is OPD. In the OPD, these are the menus. new follow-up, OPD bill, health checkup bill, appointment, deposit, and refund. Whenever any new patient arrives in our hospital for the outdoor treatment, so we simply reception staff simply clicks here, and this is the registration page of that patient. So it's a new patient or old patient. If it's an old patient, then just they simply click here and search the patient.
Hello, Ravi. 1 minute. Hello, Mr. Hassan.
Yes, yes.
Please feel free to ask any question in between if you have any question or query, so that you
No
can also
problem, no
understand
problem.
and he can also understand what he wants to explain.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Please go ahead.
For example, I am selecting a one patient from the previous history. So I have selected this patient. So accordingly, its details are entered here, and I just save here. So when I complete my registration process, a case paper, OPD case paper of patient is generated like this. So generally, there are two types of doctors, sir. One type they like to write in paper. They don't
Okay.
like to write on computers.
Okay.
This paper is for those doctors who like to write in paper. So we just simply print out this paper and send this patient to the doctor from the reception. This is for them. And other type is they like to write every clinical detail in computer itself, means the system itself. So for them, there is a diagnostic section in the doctor menu. There is a diagnostic section. So all the clinical detail can be handled here also. So when the reception has completed the registration process of the patient, in the doctor menu, they can see that there is 0/1 status here. It means that today I have attended 0 patient and total 1 of my patient is there outside waiting for me. So I simply click here, select my patient that whom I am going to attend. So, sorry. I selected the patient. So when I select the patient, these are the clinical details section of that patient, that vitals. What I want to write in vitals, for example, blood pressure and blood group, pulse. Blood group I want to select as A positive, pulse XYZ 100, SpO2 89. Likewise, whatever vitals I want to fill up here, I can write them here down. Now the complaints of the patient, that what are the complaints of patient? I write them down simply, or if I don't want to write them, then I can select my predefined templates. If I have made my predefined templates, like the complaints of COVID, sore throat, XYZ, this is the template that I created when I was free. So I just simply selected this template. Now I want to something add or delete something in the template. I can do that. Now the past history section. These are the sections which are used by physician or something like that, doctors. So this is the past history section. Like for example, DGM means diabetes. For example, it's type 2 diabetes. Type 2, what is the type? OHA insulin or OHA insulin both. How many? Since how many times he has this disease? I say it's from 5 months, last 5 months. Likewise, all these are used. Then the diagnosis section. What's the final diagnosis of the patient? If I say simply it's a fever. Likewise. And according to that diagnosis, what are my prescription for that patient? So I simply select here what are the medicines I'm going to use. These medicines come from your medical store department database. So that whatever medicine you want to give from here, this medicine will request will directly send to the medical store department. So are you getting what I'm trying to explain here? or you just want right now just the overview only? Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Ah, okay. We are hearing.
Yeah, after meal, before meal, yeah. Instruction.
This is the prescription system. Here you can add your medicine package also.
Okay.
Right now, not here entered here in package, but likewise for every disease, you have some sort of medicines, set of medicine ready. Means if it's a case of fever, you generally give some set of medicines for every patient when it's a particular disease. So you can make your own packages, medicine packages. So when I simply select that medicine package, all those medicines will come here. So I don't have to write every time every medicine. They just simply click simply one click, you get all your medicines here. Likewise, I enter every medicine detail here. Then if I want to plan any make any follow-up plan for that patient, like today you are good, continue this medicine. If we don't get result, we will do your X-ray next time. So I say to my patient that we will do X-ray next time. But when he actually comes, I forget that I said him that we will do X-ray. So this software reminds me that your next follow-up plan was X-ray for this patient. So I just set here my reminder that whenever this patient comes again, we will do X-ray test of this patient. Now next follow-up when the patient should come next time to visit me again. So I simply select here my days. Means I say that I come after 10 days. Then I give him the investigation. What is the investigation I want to suggest you? Like for example, ESR, ESG opinion. Likewise, and here also I select my own templates if I want. I just this simply created one for testing. I can make my own as many templates I want. Then any general advice I want to give to patient, if I want to give. I give plenty of water. This is the advice I want to give to my patient. And likewise, how many advice I want to give it. So when I complete my all medical clinical detail, this is the print preview of how it will be seen.
Okay.
Like vitals are here. What are the vitals? What are the complaints? What was the diagnosis of patient? What is the prescription detail? What investigation advice I advised him? What general advice given to him? What was the plan for next visit? And everything, all other details.
And then if
So
you need, you can print or you can save, yeah.
sorry, I didn't get you. What did you say, sir?
I mean, and you have an option to print if you need, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the option to print.
Print option is there everywhere, sir. You can print anything you want to print.
Do you want to see it again?
No, it's okay. You can go forward.
Okay. Okay. So this was the first one in the OPD. It was a registration form, new follow-up registration form. Then the second one is the OPD bill. Means now the patient has gone to doctor and he has come back. Now the reception will take charge for that services that he has received, patient has received. So they simply go to the OPD bill, select their patient. So I have selected my patient. Now I will simply select my services. That what are the service charge I am giving to him. Like the consultation first. like the ECG, X-ray. These are the three services that a patient has received from us. So we will just simply collect those services. If it is any more, then I will select from here, like CDC. Add new more. As many, if I can add as many services I want. I simply added these much services. Now this is the payment detail section. The billing is divided in these three sections. Like the first one is select your patient, then select your service, how much, what are the services that you have given to him, and then the payment detail section. That how will be the payment. This is the total amount of the services, like 1250. Now, if a hospital is giving any type of discount to patient, if yes, then like it's giving 10% discount, then it is auto calculated. If you are not giving any discount, then no problem. Then mode of payment. How am I collecting the payment from patient? Is it a cash, check, card, credit, or any other mode of payment? If it's a cash, then okay. It's check, then enter check detail. It's a card, then enter card detail. Simply it's a cash, then okay. Amount received. Remarks or reminder. Reminder is for those that if I want to remind anything about this patient, that whenever this patient comes again to my hospital, software reminds me. Like I had said earlier, I had said a reminder of that bill due. This was the reminder I had said earlier that payment of this patient is due by 750 rupees. So I had set reminder. So now, as this patient has come to visit again, this alert has been generated by system. Now I just need to save and print. As I save this bill, this is the outdoor patient bill. This is the format of our outdoor patient bill. Here there will be the hospital logo detail and the patient detail section, and these are the services given by us to this patient, and who created this bill. This is the bill format.
Okay.
Do you have any doubt in this format or any question regarding this?
Okay, and I think you can easily customize the option, for example, and cash card. Like in Somalia, we mostly use mobile money transfer. For example, what we call EBC. Yeah.
Yeah, we can add as many mode of payments. We call it mode of payments.
Yeah, mostly 95% we use mobile money transfer, no cash.
Okay.
Mostly. So you can customize, and that option you can add, right?
Yeah, we can add as many mode of payments you want to add. Okay. If I want to print, I will click here print, and if I don't want to print, I will just click close. These are two different buttons for them.
Okay.
Okay, I just close this button. Now registration bill, all those are completed. Now health checkup bill. Many hospital created a service package for patient, like full body health checkup.
Yeah, that's right.
You create some packages for the patient that in particular fixed amount price. These are the list of services you will receive from us.
Okay.
You also use those type of packages system. So I simply click here my patient that who I select my patient. Here I select my plan. Like I have created one package here, well movement test. These are for women.
Well movement test, yeah.
Well movement test. I will just created this package. So when I click this package, these are the list of services. They will come under this package. Okay. So this is the rate of the package. This is the 3,500 is the package price. We don't show that what is the individual service price. We just charge them that in this package price you will get all these services. Likewise that.
Okay.
And we simply create the service. We call it the health package.
Yeah.
This is the health package.
We have actually here.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the package price. These are the services you will get in this package. Like
yeah. Consultation first. Yeah, I see.
Okay. Now the appointment system. Some patient make appointments either through phone call or either through our website.
Okay.
Our website or a phone call. They make appointments. That I don't know. You have the appointment system in there. Do your patients come by making appointments earlier or they come directly?
They come to appointments.
Mostly, some of them they come directly, some of them they call and make appointment through phone.
Okay, they make appointment
And
through
some of
phone.
them they
So
do through website and booking.
okay, so these are the options for that. When if one patient calls me and I am the reception staff, I am on the reception of hospital. I am at the reception of hospital, and a patient calls me that, sir, I want to book an appointment for a particular doctor for this time. So I will just simply click here appointment, enter the patient name, XYZ, whatever the name of the patient. I will enter his mobile number, whatever it is. Then, sorry, it's not in visit, so it's why it's giving error. Now, whatever the doctor I want to give the appointment to. For example, I select one Sagar Patel. Any extra remarks? He wants to come for fever. What's the date for his arrival? He want to come on 30th at the 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. Sorry, 11. So I will just book his appointment. When I confirm his appointment, two message and mail will generate. One will go to patient that your appointment for a particular XYZ date and time is scheduled at our hospital name with doctor so and so. And the same type of message will go to our doctor that particular patient has patient name has scheduled appointment for you for this date and time. Likewise. So patient and doctor both are informed about their appointment schedule. But now this is the deposit and refund. Means whenever patient wants to make his payment, partial payment. You may have also the cases like I am the patient of your hospital. I come to visit here in hospital. My bill is for example 1000. Currently I give 800 to you, and I say that I will come back after 2 days and I will give remaining 200 after 2 days. So these partial payments are handled by this deposit department. I simply click here deposit, select the bill that what was the bill number or patient name. So I select here. When I select the patient, here it shows that what was my initial bill amount, how much discount given, how much outstanding amount is there. This bill is clear, so it's not due amount here. If it was a pending amount, so here I could see the due amount, that how much amount was due, and I simply enter how much amount patient is giving to me and given by whom, like Ravi, depositor name Ravi, and I simply click save. This is the OPD department. This is for outdoor patient department. Now we come to the indoor patient department. Sir, you have any doubt in regarding outdoor patient department?
And before you go forward, please. And how about after the registration of the patient from the reception, when the patient come to the consultation office as a OPD patient, and the history and the physical examination of the doctor, the format and the form, can you where is that part?
Yeah, here in the doctor menu, it's a diagnosis sheet.
Okay.
We call it diagnosis sheet. Here is that part. I simply select here my patient. This is the patient. I register on OPD reception. I simply selected this patient, that was the data I am going to enter. After selecting, these are the clinical details I enter in the system. You want to see these details in detail? Hello.
Yes, yes.
You mean to see these details now or anything else?
Yeah, this is the one I was asking. Yeah, just vital signs, symptoms, past history. Yeah, this is the way. Yeah.
Go down.
First one is the vital section. Here,
Ravi, he just want to see what are the details we have to fill.
Yeah.
So just
Just go down.
drop
I
down.
need to see
Yes,
the
just drop down. So that he just want to see like what are the details. It is already been
options.
there
Yeah,
in the means software.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
okay, just
એટલે નીચે આખી સ્ક્રીન એમને બતાવી દે.
okay. Here the vital, then symptoms,
Yeah,
then
that's
past history.
medicine. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay.
High.
Mm.
Okay, these are the sections.
Yeah, yeah, I get it.
Okay.
Any questions, sir? Till now, till OPD, is there any question or something you want to see
It's
again?
okay. It's okay.
Okay, no problem.
It's
Please go ahead with IPD, Ravi.
Sir, any missing in this clinical detail section?
Yeah. Okay. And now we see the the options of the history, and the doctor can put and save. After that, when he said, for example, we need to paint a picture. For example, the patient is in my office. I take the history. I did examination. I sent some investigations, lab, radiology, and then he come back with the results. All that through the to follow from the reception, then the doctor office, then the lab, radiology, and then come back for the reply of for the result and prescription.
Okay, I got you. Here.
And mostly we are OBD. We are just a diagnostic center. For now, we don't have inpatient department.
Okay.
So we need
don't
to
have-
focus only the OBD.
Okay. Just a minute. I got your point. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can. We can see. Yeah.
પ્રદીપભાઈ મેં સફાઈ ઓપન કર્યું દેખાય છે ને?
હા દેખાય છે.
હા. The same requirement that you are giving right now, it was given by our one of the clients. So I'm just showing you that what was your requirement earlier. Like this, sir. These are the details filled up by me.
Okay.
Okay. Now when I entered these details, they were sent to the pathology and radiology department.
Okay.
Okay, these are the like pathology prescription. I advise CBC, lipid profile, liver function test, and D-dimer.
Okay.
Okay, I gave them this request that these are the tests I want for this patient, and radiology equation I had given this that USG abdomen, KUB, CT head, and XYZ. Okay, so when I requested them, they have their own modules like for pathology of their own. So pathology received the request that this is the patient, we will have to reach list in that patient. So they will enter the results of that patient here.
You can upload the image. Can they upload the image to the system?
Okay. Then okay.
Lab camera.
Okay. Just what?
Preparing in work.
Yes. Okay. And can you hear us? We have question.
Yeah, sir.
And our lab and equipment is all full automated. So
Okay.
and this your software is it
Sir, we are not getting the clear sound. What did you
Your
say?
voice is breaking, sir.
is it compatible
Some electric
to
instrument
make
is there.
integration or interface with those machines? Okay. What
Sir,
about
can,
now?
yeah,
Hello?
sir, yes, sir.
Hello?
Now it's clear. Now it's clear. Can you say it again, please? Because your voice was breaking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I just need to ask a question about the lab.
Yes.
Our lab, all our machines are full automated
Okay.
machines.
Hmm.
So, and your software is it compatible to make interface with those machines, and after the result come out easily and through the software, like you showed us
Yeah.
now, just to put the results and then easily and print it or send it back to the doctor or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. You in the your laboratory instruments. Am I right? You are talking about laboratory instruments.
Lab, pathology lab. Yeah.
Yeah. Likewise, this is the liver function test sample template. Here, these are the parameters. If our software can connect with your machine, and all these
Yeah.
results
Full
entered
automated
here,
machines. Yeah.
they will come automatically into these sections.
Okay.
What we can do is that like if your like if all your machines are fully automated, we can integrate our software to your machine so that once the result is
Yeah,
generated by
that's
your
that's
machine,
my question.
it
So you can do
yeah
that.
it will yeah
Yeah.
it will directly fill all the details according to the reports, and you just have to save it only, and then it will go to the doctor
That's clear.
section again.
Okay, that's very clear.
Yeah.
And sir, for only two machines will not integrate. If I don't know, you have them CT scan and MRI.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. That
CT
that
scan
is
and
okay. Okay.
Good and heavy files.
That's clear. Yeah.
Okay. All laboratory instruments will interface with this software.
Okay.
It's not an issue.
Digital X-ray. How about the digital X-ray?
Digital X-ray, yeah. Digital X-ray can also be interfaced with just this. I'm showing you
Hello?
radiology. Hello.
Okay. Okay, that's great.
Like this. These are the radiology requests.
And also once we are in they will refer to us in different tests, whether it's lab already. So you have
Sorry,
Hello.
sir, actually
yes.
your voice, sir, actually your connection is quite low. Sometimes it's getting, hello, yes. Hello? Hello?
How about I can hear you very well. It's very clear.
Yeah, but I'm not able to hear you, sir. Your actually voice, your voice sometimes is coming and sometimes is just drop it down.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
now it's clear. Ravi, can you hear him?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yes, now I can hear. We can hear you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
so I will just.
Okay. My question is. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, my question is, since we are in referral diagnostic center, and different hospitals and clinics and doctors, they refer to us different tests, whether it's lab or radiology. So, and we need number one, and at the end of the day or at the end of the week, we need we need to track the how many and that, for example, and which hospital and how many tests they send it to us. We need to track
Okay.
one thing. On the other hand, some doctors who refer to us is very far away from our center. So is there an option? We give them a username and link it. They can easily request it from there, or after the result they can check and from their office before
Yeah.
the yeah.
Like these are the request came from our request department. Like whatever link you have given to your hospital, they just simply request that this is the patient name and this is the service we want from the for that patient. Now I have completed result of that patient. Sir, you want for just a minute, sir. I got your point. Just let me show you that presentation. You want for the diagnostic center. Hello.
Yes, we are with you. Yeah, we can hear.
Let me show you what are the see here, sir. This is the pathology equation. This is the link that you can give to your patient. We will arrange that for
Okay.
you. Okay. Here they simply select the patient. This is like this. Okay. And they here request. Okay, what are the tests that I want for this patient? Like CBC. Okay. They enter here. They request. Repeat profile. And they enter here the remarks that after 2 hours. For here they say that everyday one, and here they enter the patient detail, clinical detail, like it's a dengue patient, yeah, whatever we say, viral fever patient, and they enter what are the this is the request say form for hospitals like your clients. They want to request you that these are the service we want from the, so they have selected that patient, they have entered what is the disease of that patient. It's not compulsory, but if they want they can enter here. Now they request that what are the tests we want for our patient. So when I save here, means client, whenever the client select this test, the request simply goes to my diagnostic center unit. Like this. Did you get it, sir? Here I got my request that this is the patient, it's the diagnosis, and these two are requests from my client. So I simply enter my results here, shall select my patient, enter the results here, and simply save. So this data will go to my client. How will he see that? Let me show you how will he see that. This is dummy data, so it's not here. Mm. હાર્દિકભાઈ ડેમો દેખાડવો આ સર જે માંગી રહ્યા એ થોડુંક બીજી લિંક ખોલીને બતાવવું પડશે, ચાલશે?
હા હા બતાય વાંધો નહીં.
Sir, can you give me 2 minutes? I will have to open one other
Yeah.
link. Same as
Yeah,
our
now I
one
can.
client.
Yeah.
Just 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay. Ravi, 1 minute wait kar. हाँ.
Ha.
No. I'm talking to my developer so that I can, if I can understand your question, I can explain to him. That's why. Yeah. That's why you are. Yes. Okay. So actually, what now I will explain you what I understand, so that if I am wrong, you please correct me. So what you are saying is like that suppose there are 10 or 15 doctors are there in Somalia to whom you have tied up. So whatever, like if I am the patient and if I go to the doctor, then he will advise me some pathology and radiology test and send it to your hospital. And then I will have to show that I will have to come to your hospital and do that reports to you, and you will give that doctor's number or reference in that particular case. So at the end of the week or month, you just want to know that from that doctor how much you earn and how much commission you have given to me. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Just give me 1 minute. Let me explain to my developer and he will explain. No, what is this? Yeah, what is the second question, please?
Second question is the different vectors to provide them a username and password
Okay.
to check the results from their own office online.
So you want that doctor also to give you you also want to give that doctor a login ID and password for this system, so that he can know like how many patients he has sent to you and what is the amount and how much he earned as a commission from yours.
Login only to see his results. No. Login only. We need him to see the results of these patients only.
Okay. Only result of the patients. No problem.
Yeah, for the login.
Okay, no
For the
problem.
the finance team of my diagnostic, I need them to track the each and every doctor how many tests he sent to us at the end of the day or when they are. Okay.
Okay, so these are the two questions only.
Those are the.
Okay, no problem. Let me talk to my developer. Hello, Ravi.
Ha.
હું તને કોલ કરું છું 1 મિનિટ.
Okay. બાકી આમનું 1 મને મળી ગયું જો.
ના એટલે આમનું એકચ્યુઅલી એવું કે ના આમનું એકચ્યુઅલી એવું કેવું છે એમનું એવું કેવું છે કે સપોઝ એમની તો રેડિયોલોજી ને એવું છે બરોબર, આખી એમની હોસ્પિટલ નથી, એમને તો ઓપીડી જેવું જ છે બધું, બધા ટેસ્ટિંગ ને બધું કરે છે, એટલે એમને શું છે કે બધા 10-15 ડોક્ટરો જોડે ટાઈ અપ છે. એટલે એમનું એવું કેવું છે કે સપોઝ એ 10 ડોક્ટરો એમના ત્યાંથી એમના પેલા પેશન્ટને પેલું બધું પેથોલોજી ને લેબના ટેસ્ટ કરવા એમની હોસ્પિટલમાં મોકલે. એટલે આમનું અને એમનું પેલું કમિશન નથી આપણે અમદાવાદમાં સેટ કરેલું હતું કે પેલા ડોક્ટરને કમિશન આપે, એટલે એ એમને ટ્રેક કરવું હોય કે સપોઝ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર ડોક્ટર થ્રુ એમને કેટલા ભાઈ પેશન્ટના એમને ટેસ્ટિસ એમના ત્યાં કરવા મળે, એટલે એક ડોક્ટરનો રિપોર્ટ એ ટોટલ ટ્રેક કરી શકે કે ભાઈ 1 મહિનામાં કાં તો 1 અઠવાડિયામાં આ ડોક્ટરના ત્યાંથી મને 10 ટેસ્ટ આના મિસ કરવાના પર્ટિક્યુલર આ ટેસ્ટ રેડિયોલોજી કાં તો પેથોલોજીને મારામાં કરવામાં આવ્યા, અને એમને એક્ઝામ્પલ એમના ત્યાંથી જે કમિશન અને જે બી કમિશન છે એ એમને ખબર, એમને ઇન શોર્ટ એ ડોક્ટરનું બધું ટ્રેકિંગ એ કરી શકે કે ભાઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર એક ડોક્ટરના ત્યાંથી મારા ત્યાં કેટલા ટેસ્ટિસ કરવા મીન્સ ટેસ્ટિંગ કરવા માટે એમણે મને પેશન્ટ મોકલ્યા છે.
Okay.
એક ક્વેશ્ચન એમનો એ છે. અને બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન એક એવો છે કે સપોઝ આ ડોક્ટરને એ આપણે આમાં આઈડી ને પાસવર્ડ ખાલી આપી શકીએ કે એમના ખાલી એમના એક્ઝામ્પલ તું ડોક્ટર છું બરોબર છે, હવે તે મને આમની લેબમાં કોઈ રિપોર્ટ કરવા મોકલે ભાઈ સીબીસી ને બ્લડ રિપોર્ટ કરાવતા હો, હવે હું ત્યાં જતો રહ્યો એટલે એ ટ્રેક તારું કરી શકે ભાઈ ઓકે ભાઈ મેં પેલા રવિભાઈ ડોક્ટર ના ત્યાંથી આ મહિનામાં મને ભાઈ 10 પેશન્ટ મળ્યા અને એમના ત્યાંથી આટલું કમાયું, એ તો બરોબર છે. હવે મારો ત્યાં રિપોર્ટ આવી ગયો એટલે એ રિપોર્ટ હું અપલોડ કરું એટલે તું ખાલી તારા આ સિસ્ટમના લોગિન આઈડી પાસવર્ડમાં નાખે એટલે તરત તને મારો રિપોર્ટ જોવા મળે ઓકે ભાઈ અર્ધિત ત્રિવેદીનો આ રિપોર્ટ છે. આ બે એમને ક્વેશ્ચન છે એટલે આ બે ક્વેશ્ચન એમને છે.
ઓકે સમજી ગયો. હવે જો હાર્દિકભાઈ જો આ પહેલી સ્ક્રીન સ્ક્રીન આ પેલા માટે છે સ્પેશિયલ ડોક્ટર શેરિંગ.
ડોક્ટર શેરિંગ માં શું એટલે નહીં આ જે મેં તને બે ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યા ને એ બે ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે એમને પહેલા એમને સમજાવી દઈએ.
ઓકે આ કરો ને એમને કેને આપણે
હેલો મિસ્ટર હસન આર યુ ધેર? હેલો.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Mr. Hassan. I have explained the questions to my developer. Now he will explain you.
Okay, we are ready.
Yeah.
Sir, your first question that in the end of the month, if I want to know that how many patients have come from which doctor and how much amount I have to give them. For that one question, let's see. Here, this is the doctor sharing module. For that, here it's a doctor sharing module. I just simply click that from what date to what date I want to create my statement. Like from 1st September to 15 September, I select for demo. And which one doctor I want to select. I can select any one doctor or I simply select all doctors. Okay, and how much sharing percent I give, like 15%. Okay. Then I generate report. So in the end of the month, what are the patient which sent by which doctor and all the data will be generated like this.
Okay.
Direct. The patient you sent by this this was the bill amount, this was the net payable amount, profit amount, and professional fees. We call it professional fees. We don't call it sharing, we call it professional fees. So of these 4,000, 50% sharing means 600 rupees. And likewise, if a doctor has said that it's my patient, give him discount. So if a doctor has said you that it's my patient and give him discount, so we deduct this discount from his sharing and final amount this. Likewise, all patients. This is my first one doctor, and these all are the patients sent by him in the end of the month. And at the end, it's a grand total. This is the income tax or TDS, whatever you call it, deduction and net payable amount for this doctor. Now, second one doctor. These are the patient by.
Wow. Every doctor, his commission will be calculated at the end of every time, every month or every 2 weeks, whatever you agree with him.
Sir, are you getting at this point or what I am trying to say?
Yes, I can get it.
You simply select your date range, that from this date to this date.
You can get the data. You just have to select the date from this to that, and you will get the data. Whether it's 1 day data, 2 day data, 10 day, or 1 month or 2 month data. Whatever the data,
Perfect.
whatever the date time you select, you will get the reports.
Okay. Can you show us one specific matter? Just you selected all now. Select only one doctor.
Sir, actually your voice is too low. Can you please set your volume?
You are away from mic.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Now
Choose one. Yeah, you can choose one doctor to see his only patient.
Sir, actually your voice has gone again. Please come close to a mic.
Continue.
Continue. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you got my point, is what I mean to say. Now is your second point. If I
એક મિનિટ
want
રવિ
to,
ઉપર એક મિનિટ રવિ એમનો ફોન મને આવ્યો છે. એક મિનિટ ઉપર. Hello, yes.
Yes. Right. I was asking if you can choose specific doctor to see. Now we
Oh,
don't have all doctors. Like
yeah,
you choose one
hello.
doctor and see.
Yeah, sure, sure. હેલો રવિ, એમને એકચ્યુઅલી આપણે ઓલ ડોક્ટર નું બતાવ્યું ને, એમાં કોઈ સિલેક્ટેડ ડોક્ટર નું બતાવીને એમને બતાવીને કે ભાઈ એક ડોક્ટર નું આપણે બધું ઓલ ડોક્ટર નું બતાવ્યું, એમને પેલું પર્ટિક્યુલર કોઈ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર ડોક્ટર નું જોવું હતું.
okay, I want to એક થી લઈને I select 1 to 15 date range. I want to select one particular doctor, like reference doctor 100 number in my generated report. So this is one particular doctor.
From that day to day, percentage of other avatar.
એક મિનિટ થોડુંક ઉપર જવા દે સર, એમને એક
This
explain
is the name of the doctor.
Let's go. That option.
એક મિનિટ રવિ ઉપર જવા. હેલો મિસ્ટર હસન.
Yes, yes, okay.
Yeah, actually from here you have to select the date from here, and reference doctor means the doctor you have added in the system. So whenever you
Yes.
click here in the drop down, all the doctor list has been come, and you just have to select the particular doctor name which you want to see, and sharing also customizable. So like if the one doctor you have given like the commission of 15%, another you have given commission of 5 or 10%, whatever you want to select, you just want to add the customize add the number here, and it will miscalculate the amount accordingly.
Okay. Perfect.
I will here 20% and generate report again. It will create sharing
Bring
statement
back
as 20%.
10%, 20%, yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Whatever I want.
Okay.
Okay. Now the second one point. This is the investigation report. Doctor has sent me request and I have to perform investigation of one of my patient, and I have completed. Ravi Goswami patient is CT scan head was performed by me. So this is the predefined performa template. So I simply change whatever value I want to change. I say that it's from 30 to 50, and all I leave as it is. And you said that you want to attach any X-ray of those files. So I'll
Upload
simply
file.
choose it. If I want to add any file, so I'll simply choose here any file and image here and save it. Right. Okay. So this is the investigation print format of radiology. This is the HRCT scan of chest.
Yeah.
And now I have the option. I want to print it. I want to send it to doctor.
You can send it. No.
Yeah, you can send email also. I will simply click here, send mail. Okay. So I can select my doctor list. Like the doctor I select like this. I selected this doctor. I selected this doctor. So and I simply click here on send. So it will send details to patient. You can see it in detail if you want to. Like whom I want to send, these are the email address, any subject I want to give it to. Let me show you how it will be seen to a doctor.
એ એમનો બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન હતો કે સપોઝ આ એમનો રિપોર્ટ જનરેટ કરી દે એટલે એ ડોક્ટર કેવી રીતે પેશન્ટનો રિપોર્ટ જોઈ શકે.
Okay, I am showing it to you.
Okay.
I will send
So
it
now
to doctor.
now sir he's just giving you reply of your second question, that how can doctor can see the report of a patient once he
Okay.
comes to your lab for some specific reports, and if his reports has been generated by your lab and send it to doctor, then how can the doctor can see the report before
The patient
before
to
the
come.
patient
Yeah.
gets the report. Yeah.
It's okay. Okay.
So this is how.
Okay. So I send
Oh,
my
it will
report
appear
to
like
my,
this. Yeah.
Yeah. This is
it's
just
something
his.
like this.
He has sent just now. See the time 4:41 p.m. Like. So this is the
Yeah.
report he
I
has
see.
generated and sent it to doctor.
Yeah.
So this is
4:20.
the
Yeah.
yeah. So this is the format of the report. You can change the format also accordingly your requirements. So that's not a problem.
Or letterhead or yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that can be
Here
changed.
is
Yeah, here,
Okay.
here you can write your company's name and logo, everything, the detail, whichever you want. You can just give it to us, and we will just customize it as per your requirement.
Yeah.
here
That,
your diagnostic center logo will come here.
our brand name. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, your name will come here. This is for example only, okay, how it will be seen.
Okay.
Hello doctor, feed whatever the doctor name is, that will come. Then patient detail, whatever the report is, name, title. Then these are the findings and all those things. Then conclusion and all. This is the predefined format by me. So I just entered it as I knew. You can make your own predefined templates also, whatever templates you want to make for that.
Okay.
Okay, sir, you got my point that how will doctor see
Very clear.
this? Yeah. Okay. So I am coming back to my section. Okay, doctor sharing complete. Now we go to investigation complete. Sir, here is one thing. I have shown you bill that how the patient registration and all that done. Now this is the investigation section that I didn't show you. Uh, Earlier investigation I show you was that for hospital. It was for hospital. Now I got it's your is a diagnostic center. So for diagnostic center, it can be more simpler than that. Reception has done the registration process and all this. Barabar? Now I am the doctor. Here I am the doctor. So I simply click here, whatever my patient today has registered. So I get that Ravi Goswami is here. He want to do CT head and MRI abdomen pelvis. So I click here MRI abdomen and pelvis. So I selected just that, and now I have set my all templates for that, like X-ray peer review. This is the template. I have already predefined template here for me. Now I just send anything I want to change, like XYZ I want to write, I write it. Any changes I want to make, I will make that changes. Any footer note I want to add, XYZ something. Now, as you said that you want to upload image also.
Okay.
If you want to add the image of X-ray in this, so you can simply select from your database that whatever image you want to add in this. So I simply selected my image, and one more thing. Sometime in diagnosis radiology center or pathology center, you have more than 2 or 3 partner doctors.
Okay.
Means in the morning one doctor is there, in the afternoon second one doctor is there, evening third one doctor. Some have only one doctor who manages all that, and some make partnership that in the daytime this one will be there. So you can have multiple radiologists also. Like in the morning, this is the doctor number 479. He was there. So I simply save. This is the report of this patient. I will just simply saved it. So this is the preview. Now I can print it or send it to mail.
But
As
we
I
can
do.
customize. I think we can customize and with our logo and everything, however we need.
Look, sir,
yes, sir.
here in
We
master,
can
it's
custom.
a report
Yeah,
template.
yeah.
It's
Bol
a
bol.
master, it's a report template. In the template, you can make your own
Okay.
templates. Like I can want to make USG abdomen. This is my template. What should be the title of the template? So I say USG, and here I create my own template.
રવિ એક હતું મારું ક્વેશ્ચન કે સપોઝ એમની જોડે ઓલરેડી રેડી ટેમ્પલેટ હવે એમણે આ ચલાવી રહ્યા છે તો હોય જ તો એમની જોડે આપણે કોઈ ફોર્મેટમાં મંગાવીએ તો ડાયરેક્ટ આપણામાં અપલોડ થઈ જાય.
Sir, if you have your own predefined templates already prepared in Word or Microsoft Word or anything else, you can give it to us. We can insert them in this software.
Okay.
I hope that you will have your predefined templates already. Means most of radiologists have their own predefined templates.
Okay.
One more thing, sir. Do you use Dragon software?
Huh?
Do you use Dragon software for radiology?
Not now, no.
No. There is one software which is very popular in radiology centers. It's called Dragon.
Okay, Dragon software.
Dragon, DRAGON, Dragon. Dragon software. It's a voice to text software. Whatever I say in words, it transforms my text into voice into text. So just wanted to say that you can integrate that software with our software also.
Okay.
So if you have any Dragon or anything like that, that I want to just speak and my software should just type it according as I speak. So you can do that also in this software. This software is compatible for that also. You can just speak and this will type. These are some of the templates that we have created for demo purpose only. These are all like COVID city. This is the template we created. I hope that you will also have similar types of templates for every reports investigation. Hello.
Yes.
Should I go forward or do you want to see this?
Just one question, a very simple question. You can hear me?
Yeah.
For example, I'm doctor in my office. With me a patient, but there are other two patients already booked at the reception to my clinic. So can I see the notification that two other patients booked? Like still I'm working and that patient was in my office, but there are other 2 or 3 patients already and registered or booked in my appointment. Is there notification coming popping up on my desktop? I see.
Notification will come here.
Okay, come here. Yeah, I see.
If another patient register, it will become 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Like.
Okay. That's.
You got my point?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now reception is registering another new patient here.
Okay. It's already there.
Like Rakesh Patel has come here again for the CT date. Reception has done one more registration while I was doing my investigation. So my status has changed. 1/2.
I see 2. Yeah, it's become.
Yeah. Means 1/2 means I am investigating. I have investigated one patient, and total of 2 patients have come today. And I want to see who has come, so I will just click here, so I can see that means blue color. Second one patient is shown in blue color, means that I have attended, and first one patient is coming in white color, means it is pending.
It's pending, yeah.
It's pending, so I can identify which one is pending and which one has completed. So simply you can see here status that how many patients are outside waiting for me.
How about prescription? For example, after the investigation result is I need to prescribe the patient some medicine
Sir,
through the
in
software.
investigation, do you prescribe medicine?
Huh?
In a diagnostic center, do you prescribe medicine?
Yeah, because we have a OPD clinic inside the our
Okay.
diagnosis
So,
center. So, yeah,
okay.
consultants
Okay.
come in the
So,
afternoon and evening, so they see some patients there, and we have our own pharmacy. So at the end of
okay.
the when they collect their results, the patients they come to the doctor office and then he give advice and prescription. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So this was the radiology module.
okay.
This was the radiology module. Okay. In the radiology module, we have seen that how will do investigation, how we send detail. Now I will come back to my.
Doctor.
These were our modules initially, if you remember. These were our modules. So I come back to my hospital module. Go back to my diagnosis sheet. Sorry. We go back to our diagnosis sheet, which I showed you earlier. Okay, that was for investigation was for radiology section. Now it's for clinical detail. So I will just simply go to sorry, I will select my patient that I registered earlier, like Jaya Shah. Simply go to medicine section, select my medicines, whatever I want to give.
Okay, it will come up. Yeah, it will come up. Generic, everything it's written. Yeah.
Yeah, we can write any medicine you want to give it. Like these are the medicine package I have created for myself, like DM1.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
simply click
diabetic. Yeah.
the like DM1. So
Hypertension.
simply
Yeah.
click
See.
accordingly, all
So
medicines
it's
will come. I can make my as many packages I want to create.
wow. Hypertension. ATN أنا suka. Lalu kisah aku suka.
Sir, any other doubts?
Diabetic. Yes. Yeah. How many
Any other?
days? Yeah.
Yeah, how many days? Quantity will be auto calculated by that. Like I
Okay.
want to give those in morning and evening for 20 days, automatically it will be got 40 quantity. This I want to give in the morning, afternoon, morning and night. This is for 5 days. So accordingly, quantity will become this. Here intake advice. You give intake advice also, like after meal, after breakfast, after meal with more water. Uh,
Yeah. After meal. Yeah. You see.
yeah,
Before bed. Before. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Like before bed,
Yes.
before sleep, before
Before.
sleep.
Before
Okay.
meal.
Any other section if you want to give, you can give it that. And if you want to enter generic name, you can also enter generic name. This
Paracetamol.
content,
Yeah.
it's a paracetamol, for example. And
So when I send the prescription and save, the pharmacist will appear and will see in his software desktop. I think the prescribed drugs, right? Automatically.
yeah, like this. I have saved this prescription. You have just seen this only the hospital module right now. Let me go to pharmacy module. I created my prescription. I go to pharmacy. Look here. This is the pharmacy dashboard, sir.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is
This
the
is the
pharmacy
pharmacy
module
dashboard.
which you have just
Yeah.
Here,
mentioned.
this is request
Yeah,
for
I
this
see,
Jaya.
I see. Yeah.
Simply click here, view, and they can see their prescription, what you entered as medicine, like this.
Okay. Ah, okay. Yeah,
They
okay.
don't get every detail, but they get what they want. That how much quantity we have to give and what will be the dose.
Okay.
Okay. This is the requisition seen by pharmacy.
Okay, clear.
One more thing left to show you, sir. Reports. How the reports will be seen. I am showing you just one sample that how the report format is seen. I select these are the filters that from where to where I want to see. Like I want to see cash, credit, check, which mode of payment I want to see, which doctor I want to see, and here I get graphical representation, and at the end I see my detailed report. That what was the patient name, what was the case type, mode of payment, who was the consulting doctor, means treating doctor, who was referring doctor, who referred that patient to us, what was the bill amount, discount, net amount, received amount, due amount, and created by whom, username. These are the detailed report, and at the end, oh, it's a very big one. At the end, you get the detail. What was the total amount? So likewise, there are multiple reports according to your requirements for hospital. These are the hospital reports like OPD cases, how many cases were there in the whole month or a particular period time. OPD survey bill kitne how many bills were generated. What was the collection? This one is also important. Service wise collection. Which service is used how many times in a whole month or particular period of time? Like I say, I want to see in this month how many services were used. So I can see the laboratory charges were used 137 times. I want to see detailed report. So I can see in the laboratory, ABG was used 1 time, CBC was used 233 times. Likewise. This is also very important report for hospitals that which service is used, how many.
This is helpful for your medical equipments also, that how many times it has been used, so that you can also know whether it is time to replace them or use them or something like that. This will help.
Yeah, you can helpful, yeah.
Yeah, this will be
Yeah.
helpful for you.
Now this is that it has been used 13 times. PS PP2 BS. This test was performed 13 times. Now I want to see detail that which are the patients they have used it. So I will just simply click on this test and it will show me the list of patients where I used this service. So these are the list of patients where this test was used.
Okay.
Right? So
You
it's a
can download
detailed
the
report.
report if you need.
Yeah, you can download reports. You download and print also. Okay. Similarly, every test, like in the radiology, which service were used how many times?
How about the packages? Which package is mostly used if I need to know? The health check.
Okay, health checkup.
એટલે જે પેલા પેકેજ
Yeah.
બનાવ્યા હતા ને એટલે પેકેજ એમને જોવા
હા,
હોય
હા.
તો એમ એવું કે છે.
Okay, package. You, just a minute. Here you can create your health checkup plans. Multiple.
Okay.
You want to create health checkup plans. Okay. So I see, like I have created one plan. So I will show you how you create it. હાર્દિક ભાઈ આજ કહેતા હતા ને
હા
કે
એ
plan કેમ
એકચ્યુઅલી એવું
create?
કહેતા હતા કે આ મારા પ્લાન જેવી રીતે હમણાં પેલું જોયું કે પેલા ટેસ્ટ કેટલા થયા છે એમ શેમાં વધારે થયા છે એટલે કે હેલ્થ ચેકઅપ પણ મારે જોવું હોય કે ભાઈ કેટલા મેક્સિમમ સપોઝ એમણે 5 હેલ્થ ચેકઅપ પ્લાન લોન્ચ કર્યા અને 5માંથી કયું વધારે યુઝ થયું છે એ જોવું હોય તો આમાં જોઈ શકીએ એમ કે છે.
Ah, oh, sir, you Here in service wise income report itself, this is the demo link. So I have not entered any health package
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Actually, we have not
Okay, I get it.
created health checkup plans so that it will not reflect here. So once you created all the health checkup plans accordingly your requirement. So after 2 days or 3 days, if you have let's see, if you have entertained 5 to 10 plans accordingly in 1 week, then you can get the reports of that particular plans.
Okay.
Here I like how I see that how I have used CBC 233 times. Likewise, health checkup plan is also a one type of service. So you will get in this same report that how many times your that health plan was used. It will come in this report itself.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So, like, these are different types of other reports. And I want to see detailed health checkup that how which package was used by which patient, so I can simply select it from here also. But it will not come here right now because I haven't entered any health package. That means in any patient I have not used it right now, so it will not come. Sir, anything else? This one also is very good, sir. Doctor-wise, service-wise income means which doctor is giving which service in particular period of time, like this. 1 to 29, I want to generate report that which doctor gave what service to which patient, like this. This is my doctor name, Pratiksha Jadhav. Okay. How many service he has given to our patient? Like this is our patient name. This was the service provided by the doctor to this patient. And how many times? 6 times. What was the rate? 140. Likewise, every this doctor in the whole month, how many services given by this doctor to our patients? Likewise.
So actually in our report section, sir, you will get all the report, like suppose for doctor reports, like which doctor has provided which service and how many times he has served your lab in 1 month or 2 week or 1 week. And the same way you can also get the reports of particular service, that how many times that particular service or particular test has been generated by your lab or your pathology.
okay.
So our reports has everything from doctors point of view to the reports point of view. Everything we have.
And
Okay.
one last thing, sir. At the end of the day, you require collection report, payment received report from your staff, your employee. That how much collection is done in today. So this is the collection report. That patient wise, what was the mode of payment and how much collection was done. At the end of the day, cash we have this much by card. This was the amount by any other mode of payment. This was and total. This is the amount that reception or billing team has to submit in the account department at the end
Yeah.
of the day.
At the end of the day, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
at the
that's
end of the, this is the amount that they will have to submit in the account department. So this is the detailed collection report that from which way, whatever financial entry was done in the whole software, they all come together into this report itself. This is called the collection detail report. If you want to see it in summary, there are two types of report, detail and summary. If I say summary, then summary report will come like this. Just a minute, like by cash, how many numbers of bills generated, how much was billing, how much discount, how much collection, credit, check, card, all that. And in the last end, same thing. Cash, check, card, total, how much is the grand total.
Okay.
Summary, and I want to see in detail patient by patient, so I can search simply detail and click. So it will be detail, patient by patient.
You can also get the this detailed report by user also, sir. Like which user has generated how many, like here, doctor wise or consult doctor or case type wise. This is a sort out option. You can may sort the report accordingly your requirement.
Sir, you have any queries regarding anything else?
نفس الدكان له الدكان له تجينا وين لو حبيت منو
Hello.
Yes, yes. Mr. Andre,
Yes.
Mr. Andre, I wanted to ask about the dental module.
Sorry, which
No, I
module,
don't-
sir?
dental module.
Ravi, एक तरह संभळाय. Which one module, sir? Actually, your voice is just a bit low.
Dental.
Dental. Yeah. Dental, sir, we don't have in this, but we can just add this that section to our this hospital as per your requirement. Because most of
Yeah,
most of
the things which most of the things I can see here, what's missing is the dental clinic, the dental lab, and in the radiology we will add OBG
yeah, that we
for
can
the
add
dental
it.
as well.
Yeah, that we can add it, sir. Actually, we have developed this software in general, like from small, medium to big hospitals. So accordingly, their particular requirement, we can add the modules or particular template or something accordingly their requirement. Because
Right.
each and every hospital has their own way of working. So we cannot like
Okay.
yeah, that is the thing. We can generate
Perfect.
it and we
So
can develop it.
it takes, once we give you all our details and we have finalized everything, it takes how many days to finish? To finalize?
We just need your sir customized like first we need your customized detail that like what exactly you want. So accordingly the efforts we have to put in our development. Then I can tell you what exactly time does it take.
Okay.
Yeah.
एक महीना आगे बोलो भैया.
Within 1 month, sir. Approximately like say for around 25 to 35 working days, we can develop it. That's not a problem. And if you want early also, then also not a problem. If you just give us your make customized details and your particular timeline, short span of timeline, then also we can manage it. We can work say for around 14 to 15 hours a day, or maybe more than that, and accomplish the task. That's not a problem.
And once you finish, it's a cloud-based.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
it's cloud based also, and if you want on your server also, then also we can manage it. It depends on you, sir. It depends.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
But sir, one thing, if you want to give link to your client doctors that they can generate request from
The
there.
cloud, eh?
Sorry.
Cloud based. I mean, the software. Is it cloud based?
ये लोग को बात करता लगा अंदर अंदर.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
ક્લાયન્ટ ને લિંક આપ્યું ને તો ક્લાઉડ વાળું જોવે.
Sir. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, we can hear. Hello.
But we cannot hear, sir. Your voice is too low.
You can hear now?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. So like, yes, sir. Please.
Yes, continue.
No, sir. We just got all your like. If you give me your requirement by today or tomorrow or by this Saturday, then within 2 to 3 hours, I will give you the perfect time, and that we can complete the task. Cause most
Okay,
of the
okay.
like 90 or 95% we have even in our software. We just have to customize it accordingly your requirement and your inputs.
Okay, and also we have 2 branches where we want to use this the clinic software, so it can be used the same one, right?
Yeah. So you want to just centralize it?
No, 2 separate centers, but with the same Medipack.
Okay.
બંને અલગ થાય.
હા રવિ તાર પૂછવું હોય તો પૂછજે કઈ બી.
Sir, you have 2 centers, so both their accounts are different from one another. Means
Yes, they are different from one another. Yes, because they
so-
are not near to each other. We just want to use each one separately.
Okay, then they will be different. two will be different from each other. So it will be two, not one.
Okay, the modules, we just wanted to use the same module, yani. We have the same center. It's only Medipack, the same name.
Okay.
Yeah, same
Okay.
name,
So
same path, but
you want actually two software for two different branch, but the same software as it is.
The same, yeah, the same software where we can use, because it's only us. We are the same. It's
No
like
problem.
our branch.
Yeah,
oh,
got it,
okay.
sir.
Yeah. So it will be two different installation at different two locations. So they will, for software it will be two different entities, like two different hospitals.
I don't think so, because it's the same hospital. Why can't we make one software but two branches?
Sir, let me give you an example. There is location A and location B. One patient comes to location A and register himself. So we give him patient number 12111, for example. Okay, and his billing and all these things are done. So at the same time, one patient comes at location B, your location B hospital. So what should be the number of that patient ID or bill number, invoice number? What should it be? I think it should. If we will make two hospital linked to each other, then the A branch patient bill number is 1, then the B branch patient bill number will be 2, and again comes to branch A, second patient comes, and the bill
Will be
amount
3.
will bill number will be 3. So if that's okay with you, then one setup is good for you. But if your account department or someone says, okay, no, it's not possible, one unit payment and all these things should be different, and the second unit payment and all those things should be different, then it should be two.
Okay,
Whatever
that side we will update you later.
you can decide by yourself, or discuss with your account team.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Any other question, sir?
Okay. I think good. Okay, so now we have seen the software. It's good. We are going to tell you exactly what we need to
All right.
finalize the things, and then we will contact Mr. Hedrick.
Yeah, no problem, sir. Anytime.
And about the pharmacy inventory, if it is like a barcode reader, if there is barcode reader, and
Yeah.
the barcode reader and your software can integrate, right?
Yeah, we can integrate barcode with this.
Okay.
But sir, I have one question regarding that. In your farm, medicine comes in strips. You know, medicine
And-
comes in strips.
and-
Means a package of 15 or package of 10 or like that.
Sometimes box, I mean, and the whole box is sometimes strip, yeah. The minimum is strip, yeah.
It
By
comes
strip.
in strips. By strips. You sell it by strip, or you sell it by cutting a strip.
Huh?
Like I am patient and I come to your pharmacy and I say that I want one paracetamol.
Okay. One tablet. No. Just minimum is one strip.
One strip. Minimum
less
is
than-
one strip. Then
no less
barcode
than
is
that.
possible. Okay. Then barcode is possible.
Yeah.
If some hospital give it by loose cutting, means in the strip they cut strip and give one